This video is a guide to importing utility data into option C. To import data, first click the import icon in the bottom left. Select Utility File Import. Browse for your data file, then click Next. In this example, I've imported utility data into a new project. The imported data appears in the Unmatched tab. As there are no meters currently in this project, the data needs to be assigned to new ones. Option C can create new meters for the imported data. The New action for new meter will be selected by default. Click Import to proceed. Then click OK. Now let's return to the project view. Two meters now appear in the project tree structure, an electric and a steam meter. If we select the first meter and click on the Bill Register tab, we can see that our utility data has imported. Let's import some more data. Return to the Import menu and click Utility File Import. Browse for your new data file. Previously, I imported pre-retrofit bills. This time, I'm going to import post-retrofit bills. Select your data, click Next. The imported post-retrofit data is now appearing under the Matched tab. This is because our project now has meters which match the incoming data. Option C automatically recognizes this and will assign the data to the existing meters. The Import option has been selected by default. Click Import to proceed. Then click OK, and then return to the project view. Returning to our Meter Bill Register tab, I can now see that new data has been added. It's also possible to manually enter data. Simply click on a row in the bill register and enter the values that you desire. When starting a new row, the period end date will automatically populate based on the preceding rows. This date can also be edited. Bill data can be manually entered or copy and pasted from a spreadsheet.